Okay, so I wanted to do just a real quick unboxing video of the brand new Sena. This is the 50S. It's a dual pack of the new 50S model, the 50S and the 50R. And you can see the 50S is kind of a new design of the 20 they had, and also the 30K, which was the most recent before this model, 30K, which had a new technology called mesh technology. Sena was nice enough to send me this dual pack to try out and test, and I'm excited to get it. And let me open it up and show you what they look like. So taking this lid off here, and here they are. It's got a dial. If you're familiar with the Sena Bluetooth, I've been using them for a lot of years, maybe since, I'll take a wild guess, maybe 2011. I got the original, the 10, and we got them a group before we were headed to Canada on a tour, and it was amazing, the tour, after we got these and we were able to communicate. And so these are similar. The new the 50R is got 2 buttons on it, and it's a little bit different design, which is new for Sena, which I haven't seen. But these are similar to the old, the other models that they have, the 20 and the 30K, more similar to those. Sorry if you can hear my dog back there barking, but you can see the what they look like. They look really cool. I really like the design of this 50S. Let me open it up, show you what else comes inside. So you can see you got the typical microphone, speakers. These have HD speakers. So I'll be interested to try those. I do use the speakers a bit. If I'm just going around town, if I'm going on a bigger trip, I have some custom molded earbuds that I use. And then typically they come with a lot of different connectors if you're going to connect, just for your helmet, all kinds of cords to charge it, connectors. And then one thing I read too was that it's got some sort of wireless way to update the software. And this is what I saw in their video. It's kind of hard to see in this video, but somehow when you charge it, that it'll update. So I'll have to read on that, figure out how to do that. And this other, I guess since it's a dual pack, this other box is the for the other device. That's what you get in the dual pack. And then, finally you do get a paper manual you can read to learn about it. And I've heard there is a new app for this. For these, I have been using the older Sena app, which lets you, change all the features on your device. And I really like it. It also lets you change the position of riders. Since I do tours, I have a lot of people that are, in my Sena programmed in, so I can move them around. If I need to put one guide number 1, one guide number 2, 3, I can just drag and drop those in the app, and I can also change, any of the settings in their app. And so, anyway, I've been a fan, and I've been using Sena for a long time, pretty much since their first Bluetooth device came out. And like I said, we got a bunch of them before a big trip to Canada from Salt Lake City up into Banff, and all over Canada on a tour we did. So at any rate, like I said, this is the 50S, and I'm excited. I'll do some more reviews once I'm actually able to get it on my helmet and use it.